Let's talk about profit as regards to its use under the CVP analysis. Definition: profit is the financial gain calculated by subtracting the total variable and fixed costs from the total revenue. For example, you are running a kwek business. Okay. The money you earn from selling kwek, yung natatanggap mong pera sa pagbebenta ng kwek, ito yung tinatawag na total revenue. Okay? And then, sa pagbebenta ng kwek, gumagastos ka sa ingredients katulad ng quail eggs, flour, oil, at iba pa. These are costs that change based on how many kwek you make. Okay? Kung mas marami kang kwek na binenta, mas marami yung ganitong cost. And ang tawag dun ay variable cost. And panghuli, meron tayong tinatawag na fixed costs. Ito naman yung mga cost na hindi nagbabago. Depende sa dami ng product na binebenta mo. For example, yung rent ng iyong pwesto, ng iyong stall, that is a fixed cost. And pag binawas mo yung fixed and variable cost from your total revenue, makocompute mo ang profit. That's the definition of profit. Here are some formulas used to compute for profit. Tatlo yan. We have different variations based on the given values dun sa ating problem or exercise. Now let us solve this exercise. For the requirement, sabi dito, calculate the profit earned at the current sales volume. Okay, magkano daw yung profit? Data with respect to a basic product line sold by Savoy Company are as follows. And then, andito yung data. Tapos yung requirement. So, looking at the data, feeling ko magagamit natin itong second formula in computing for the profit. So, we will use that. Hindi muna natin gagamitin tong dalawang to. That's solved. Maybe I can copy this and then paste it here. Yan. So, start tayo mag-solve. Profit is equal to how much is the sales price? It is 50 pesos per unit. So, lagay natin 50. And then we will multiply this by the volume, which is 24,000. Ayan. 24,000. And then, ibabawas natin yung variable cost per unit, which is variable cost per unit times volume, wherein we have two variable costs here, 20 and 10, para sa manufacturing and the selling and administrative costs. So what we're gonna do is put some brackets here and then add natin yung 20 plus 10 and then divide na multiply natin siya by 24,000. Okay? Just ignore yung backslash. Ayan. Itong backslash na to. For the ano lang yan. For the markdown nitong software na ginagamit ko. And then, let us also deduct the total fixed costs, which is 160,000 plus 200,000. Okay, let's solve na, no? 50 times 24,000 is 1,200,000 minus natin ng 20, 20 plus 10 times 24,000, 720,000. And then minus natin ng 160,000 plus 200,000, 360,000. And then let's finalize the answer. The answer is 120,000 pesos for the profit. Now that we have solved for the profit, gamitin naman natin yung ibang mga formulas. Okay, let's try this first one. Profit is equal to revenue minus variable cost and fixed cost. Actually, andito na yan. Ito yan. We have the revenue, the variable cost, and the fixed cost. Ayan siya. And then let us also use the last formula, which is profit is equal to revenue minus variable cost ratio times the revenue minus the total fixed costs. This one, hindi siya katulad nitong second formula na ginamit natin na available na agad kasi wala pa tayong variable cost ratio. Okay, compute tayo ng variable cost ratio. The variable cost ratio is equal to pwedeng total revenue total variable cost divided by the total revenue. But since dito sa problem natin ang available ay per unit, gamitin natin to. So, alam natin 30 ito, 'di ba? 20 plus 10. So, 30 divided by 50 yung ating variable cost ratio. 30 over 50. And then, the answer to this would be 30 divided by 50. 60%. Okay. Let me also show you din pala kung what if naman gamitin natin yung total revenue and total variable cost. Alam natin ang total revenue ay 1,200,000 and ang total variable cost ay 720,000 kasi itong dalawang to ay per unit variable cost, di ba? So, gamitin naman natin yung total. Tingnan natin kung 60% pa rin yung lalabas. Yun, tama. 60% pa rin yung lumabas. And then, apply na natin siya sa formula. Revenue is 1,200,000 minus 60% times the revenue ulit minus the total fixed costs of 360,000 na nakuha natin dito is equal to 120,000 pa rin ang ating answer. So that's how you compute for profit using the three different formulas.